Have you ever wondered why many Africans eat with their hands? To some visitors, it can seem unusual, but for millions of people across Africa, it is completely normal, and there is much more to it than simply not using cutlery. Today, let's explore why this tradition has lasted for generations. The first thing to understand is that not every meal in Africa is eaten by hand. You see, across Africa, people use spoons, forks, and knives every day. However, certain traditional dishes, such as fufu, banku, tozafi, and many others, are commonly eaten by hand because of their texture and the way they are served. These meals are designed to be pinched, rolled, or scooped together with soup or stew. For many people, using a spoon simply wouldn't work as well. Now take this meal, for example. This is kenke, a fermented corn dough that is firm enough to break apart with your fingers. Instead of using a fork, you simply pinch off a small piece, press it gently with your fingertips, and use it to scoop up the fish, pepper sauce, onions, and other accompaniments. Now imagine trying to do the same thing with a fork or spoon. You'll spend more time chasing the food around the plate than actually enjoying it. For meals like this, eating with your hands goes beyond being just tradition because it is simply the most practical way to eat. That said, it should be known that eating with your hands is also an African tradition that has been passed down through generations. Children learn it from their parents and grandparents. It is not seen as strange or uncivilized. To many people, it is simply part of everyday life. Just as chopsticks are deeply connected to many Asian cultures, eating with the hands is an important dining tradition in many African communities. Many people also say eating with your hands creates a closer connection with the food. You can feel the texture, mix flavors together, and take exactly the amount you want with each bite. For them, this is a very significant part of the eating experience. One thing that's often misunderstood is hygiene. Before eating, people typically wash their hands thoroughly. In many homes and restaurants, washing your hands before a traditional meal is simply part of the dining routine. So the tradition isn't about ignoring cleanliness. You are actually preparing properly before you eat. Africa is home to more than 50 countries and thousands of cultures, so eating customs naturally vary from place to place. But in many communities, eating with your hands is a very, very common practice. If you enjoy learning about cultures across the world, subscribe to Explore with Kojo. There are many more fascinating traditions to discover. I'm Kojo Enoch. I've traveled across the world, and I break down simple questions about different countries so you can understand how things really work.